Hello guys, this is Dr. Cool to Fix. Today we have a Corolla 210 model. I went on some sort of a delivery somewhere in a different garage, so you can see the old compressor there. And that's the new compressor, the used compressor here. Now, for most cars which I've worked pretty much on some other Corolla models like 211 and 212. From 211, 212 and above have a different configuration of compressor. Why this one have a different one? So the other one have some sensor here, why this one is only having the solenoid. So now the reality why we're replacing this very compressor here is that it's having a bad leak somewhere, which makes the refrigerant to leak out, and it's actually on the compressor area. So if you're solving a leak problem and you've done your job greatly, you suppose you couldn't find exactly where the leak is coming from, I think you need to look at the compressor there. And most often times you'll likely find it's actually gonna be, maybe that's where the problem is, but most often times, let's say like a 3 weeks leak or maybe 2 weeks or a week leak, depend on how huge the seal is broken. That's how it's gonna be leaking. So this one here, now in Nigeria most of them will rather get another cross-fit compressor to it, but I prefer having the OEM compressor in there. That is why I'm ordering for this one instead of fitting the OEM one. But before that, I want to make sure that the system is very clean and ready to accept another compressor. Else there's gonna be, that's the genesis of the problem. So I'm not gonna advise you to do this if you don't know your onion, but if you're DIY, you know your onion, you know every steps that is actually required to have it successfully replaced, then go ahead and do it yourself. But if you don't, kindly give it to a mechanic with a good reputation of AC fix to get it done. So get it done once and for all and save yourself from the headache. Right? Okay guys, I'm done working on it and the AC is working fine. It's blowing cold as ice, and that's what I want to see. Any other further thing which I want to look at here is just looking at the system. Wait on, sir. So you can see that the variable displacement compressor still does the short cycling. Depend on the temperature, which will reduce it, and the fan speed inside. I'm having some sort of sense that there is insufficient oil in this system. You don't want to contaminate it by adding some oil that is not actually recommended for it. Okay guys, I'll catch you guys later. See you on the next one.